Chatfield gets involved.
McMichael and Chatfield.
At their helmets, McMichael hits the outside.
They came together in the near corner. Chatfield, when McMichael was skating away, Chatfield kind of grabbed his sweater from behind.
So now Chatfield at 5:22 remaining, third period. Wild.
Are you not entertained, my friends? Are you not entertained? Because I'll tell you, this UFC MMA takedown move that Jalen Chatfield did was unreal. Okay? And I know a bunch of you out there hate the fights, but we need them. We need them bad.